You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow, let's learn this fascinating word. This is the name of a movie, but also a word from science composed of both good and evil. No, it's not science, it's stories and history, etymology, history. Agathokakological is the pronunciation here. Agatho, you want to stress on the ga syllable here. Agathokakological, fascinating word, I love it. Remember this one, agathokakological. Use it next time you have a conversation with somebody. It's going to be hilarious. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.